The origins of the Hydroflight Foil System are in the mid-60s when a naval architect, Charles F. Coles Sr., decided to put the foil system on the centerboard of a small sailing catamaran. While the results of this groundbreaking experiment did not in any way contribute to Australia's later victory in the America's Cup, they did convince Mr. Coles to put the foil system on this small catamaran. The stunning success of this experiment led him to try it on even larger hulls, developing a dependable method for retrofitting his system to catamarans. The Hydroflight Foil System came to the attention of the military when it was attached to a 23-foot Eliminator catamaran. The Eliminator was tested by the Navy both with and without its foil systems. The results were beyond expectations. To this day, Hydroflight is breaking new ground thanks in large part to the data collected during those extensive tests. The improved safety alone, not to mention the increased speed, fuel efficiency, and stability, would have been enough to make the Navy interested in the system. However, the Navy wanted to retrofit its existing deep V fleet, not change over to catamarans. Because the Hydroflight Foil System was heavily dependent on the action of a catamaran's tunnel, it looked like this would be a crippling blow to the small company. Instead of being the straw that broke the camel's back, the Navy's report instilled confidence in Mr. Coles. Buoyed by the incredible figures it contained, he redoubled his efforts and went back to the drawing board. Hydroflight retrofitted a 26-foot World Cat for Towboat US. That cat set a record for boats under 30 feet by completing the 700-mile trip from Miami to Cape Hatteras in 26.5 hours. Hydroflight started to attack the challenges of adapting their foil system to a deep V hull with a 10-foot Zodiac. Some careful thought had to go into the design of a deep V system. It was decided that 2 airtight tunnels could be added to a deep V hull by adding small side skirts to the hull. Again, starting with small craft and applying the lessons learned to the next scaled-up project, the Hydroflight team was able to create 2 deep V crafts for the Navy to test. Once again, the tests proved that the HFS craft outperformed the standard deep V hull. Unfortunately, the hulls that Hydroflight picked fell out of favor with the military. While the interest for an HFS hull still existed, the demands placed on that hull have changed to include higher speeds than were attainable with the Zodiac hulls. Hydroflight has responded with its first high-speed shock mitigation prototype, a 26-foot Sutphin. This hull reached 67 miles per hour last season without the foils.